Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mama Araf. We would like to present you about our mini project ECE 354 simple voting system. This is our member. Firstly, my name is Mama Araf bin Arsham, and my partner is Shoaibul Shami bin Mahmudin, and then my other partner is Lokman Hakim bin Ismail. For introduction, this project involves designing a simple voting system using HSC12 DragonBoard microcontroller. For the input, we are using keypad, and then for the output, we are using 7 segment, and then we are using indicator for the LED. For the objective, we got 2 objectives for this project. First, to design and implement a simple voting system using the Dragon HCS12 microcontroller. And then for the second one, we got to ensure accurate processing of input data from a keypad and display the count at the 7 segment display. For the block diagram, as you can see, we put the keypad as an input, and then the microcontroller HAS 12 DragonBoard, and then the output we have 2, which is LEDs and 7 segment display. Okay, let's see. We do the keypad 1 and then keypad 2. Keypad 1 as a candidate 1, keypad 2 as a candidate 2. Okay, let's say 5 people has voted candidate 1, and then the keypad 1 has been pressed 5 times. And then the process at the microcontroller will vote and then will store as a 5 value, and then the 7 segment display will turn on, and then the value will be 5. And then for the keypad 2 or candidate 2, is 3 people has voted for candidate 2, and then the microcontroller has been stored and then processed, and then the 7 segment will turn 3 value at the 7 segment display. And then for the LED will turn on when someone press the keypad. And then for the circuit design, as you guys can see, the keypad, and then it goes through the HCS12 DragonBoard, and then it will goes to the LED and then 7 segment display. So this is our circuit design.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Lokman Hakim bin Ismail, and I will be talking about the flowchart. At first, the system starts by powering on and initializing the DragonBoard and all the peripherals that will be used in this system. For this voting system, there will be 2 candidates that the user can choose from. So, for example, if the user select your vote choice on the keypad. If the user select to vote for candidate 1, the vote will be recorded, and the LED will indicate which candidate the user is currently voting on. And if the second user choose to vote for the same, to cast the vote for the same candidate, the vote will then proceed and the count will be updated, and the display will be updated with the total vote count. But if the second user choose to vote for candidate B, it will then loop back to user select your choice on the keypad. For the coding part, at first the library for the mini IDE HCS12 is included, and after that the variable to store the vote count is initialized, and they initialize all the ports that is used in this project, which is port A as input for keypad, port B as output for the 7 segment display, and port B as an output for the LED. And after that come the looping part, which is for the keypad. At first, the JSR keypad is to read the input for the keypad, and after that they will check if a key is pressed. If the key is pressed is 1, they will go to the vote _1 for the increment 1. At first, they will load the count for vote 1, and after that they will update the display on the 7 segment display and also update the LED. And after the vote count 1, it's also the same for the vote _2. The keypad that is pressed is keypad 3. Then they will go to the reset _vote, which will reset the vote count for both candidates. After that is the display part, which is the display. At first is the subroutine to display all the vote come from the number 0 to number 8, and below that is the code to display the number on the 7-segment display. And at the end there is the library for the mini IDE keypad, and also that's all.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Shoaibul Shami. In this section, I will present the result of our project, a simple voting system. I will present how the simple voting system works. For our project, there are two keypads that we use. Keypad 1 for the candidate 1 and the keypad 2 for the candidate 2. In this section, I will tell you how the keypad 1 or the candidate 1 function. So, when we press the keypad 1 or the candidate 1 keypad, it will display the number 1 on the 7-segment display, and if we press the number if we press the same keypad again, it will display a number 2 on the 7-segment display. It will increase by 1 every time we press the same keypad. The maximum limit for the count on the vote on the keypad 1 and the keypad 2 is 8. For candidate 1. And keypad 3 for reset the count. This is for candidate 2. The LED will turn on, the RGB LED. Every time we press the keypad, it will increase by 1. I will reset again. So for the conclusion, we are able to design a simple voting system using the Dragon HCS12 microprocessor to handle the input, keypad, and process the data, and also the output, 7-segment display, and also LED. It demonstrates how microprocessor-based system can efficiently manage real-time tasks and communication. This project provided a practical experience and showed the potential for such system in real-world application, paving the way for a more advanced design. Thank you and have a nice day.